What are like some common big no's a candidate should do? They come up to you, they want to work for Allegiant, but what would make them deny it? Yeah.
Well, obviously, not having your A&P, that's round one, I mean, that's why we're helping people get their A&P. It's kind of unfortunate, but some guys just can only get their power plant. Mm-hmm. And I try to help them out, but there's other programs out there, I guess, that we're still researching to get or they can only get their airframe especially, but no power plant.
Yeah.
There's some programs out there, I believe, that can help them get their power plant, but it's just a bit of a process. Mm-hmm. Folks, again, back to attitude. If you have a poor attitude, I don't really want anything to do with you, I mean, I can try to help you out with your attitude. I'll definitely talk to you and try to help you, but if you have a holier-than-thou attitude, and I'm not trying to help you, and making demands and whatnot, we can't deal with that. We need people that are on our level that like to be in a camaraderie type.
The water, because then they go out there and on the line.
The bad apple can run the whole bunch, right? So we don't need any of that in our maintenance shops and whatnot. So but other than that, I mean, I think just about anything is you can overcome.
Yeah.
I mean, there's not many negatives I can really think of that would really deny anybody completely. There's a waiver for everything, so just like the Air Force.
So it's like, it seems like the attitude can really get you in or really get you out.
Absolutely.
It can really